all sorts of disabilities out there. We may be your answer. Let's get back to doing what you love to do. Life Essentials, helping you take back control of your life. The Life Lifts Truck Lift Transfer System. The only lift available for the bed of your truck, designed specifically to transfer you into a tractor, combine, semi-truck cab, bulldozer, skid steer, you name it, all with safety a priority. Life Essentials is proud to offer a lift like this, unique in the world. We custom install Life Lifts. The 375-pound capacity system is designed for 3/4 ton and above flatbed trucks or tractors. Simply park next to your desired equipment and in about a minute, transport from the driver's seat to your destination. It's life-changing. The super easy remote control helps you regain control of your life. Each client receives personalized training. This Life Essentials mobility system is USA built at our Central Indiana facility. It only takes about 8 weeks from order to install and requires virtually no maintenance. We may even be able to help with funding sources. Let's take a detailed look at a sample use of a Life Lifts truck lift system, here transferring to a combine. First, park alongside your equipment. Before deploying the lift, set the stabilizing outrigger. While seated in your truck, use the lanyard remote to bring the lift seat to the driver's door. The flatbed gives the lift system clearance to move the telescoping seat arm into position. Next, slide from the truck driver's seat into the lift seat on the end of the extended arm. Once again, use the super easy remote to maneuver the lift seat over and up to the desired height. Notice the lift seat will tuck right next to the combine seat in this example. Slide over into the destination driver's seat and secure your position. Now again use the remote to navigate and retract the lift safely back to starting position. Now that you are in the pilot's seat, you can get to work. And it is you in the cab during harvest. This Life Essentials truck lift system helping you bring the crops home. After a safe day in the field, bring the combine back alongside the truck lift and reverse the transfer process. Our system has been designed specifically for safe mobility, helping you take back control of your life. You can be assured that the installation of this well-engineered device is at the forefront of lift science and capacity. Get back to doing what you love to do with help from Life Essentials. Our Life Lifts may be your solution, and don't worry, when you're with us, it's real people offering great service. We'd love to hear from you online, by phone, or in person at our Wolcott, Indiana, USA facility. The Life Lifts Truck Lift Transfer System by Life Essentials.